Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. What? Oh, you want to see me dance some more, huh? I know. I get it. Okay, let me, I'll be in the, I'll be in the zone, you know? Just love making my videos. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. I know y'all probably laughing or just shaking your head like, man, I wish you would stop. I get it. I'm gonna go ahead and say it so you don't have to. I know I can't dance, but I just like having fun, you know. So sorry, I thought I heard something. Anyway, um, I said I was gonna come back. It's a little later in the day, and I said let me go ahead and make this other video, get it on out the way, so I could try to post them as close as possible together. So, y'all hear that? Probably not, but must be the wind. But anyway, the video is explaining why, because in the last video I was trying to explain something, saying why it was I got this bad boy. And this bad boy. These two. Why is it I got two of these when I already had a flash, a strobe flash, newer 300D, something like that, and three speed lights. So I felt like I was okay on flashes or whatever. I might have said that in the last video, but anyway, I saw something online and I said, man, I sure wouldn't mind having that. So I looked on Amazon and found it and I ordered it. But little did I know I was gonna need this in order for it to work. So I didn't know. So I end up getting on Amazon. I'm gonna show you what I bought first that I needed that for. Some of y'all may already know. But I end up ordering one of these, and I always check my the progress of it being shipped and all of that, and it said it was being shipped. It was going to arrive to me on a Friday. You know, it normally take 2 days at least. That Thursday night, my account was missing some money. The same amount of money I had already spent on this. So I was like, what? So I'm looking and it said, it was for another one of these. I might have said that already, I'm sorry. Let me rewind that. Okay, so I looked on Amazon to see, and it was showing that it was going to show up on Friday, the same time the first one was supposed to show up. And I'm like, well, dang, how was that even possible? Because it normally take at least 1 or 2 days. That joker gonna be shipped to me the next day. Well, lately with all the stuff I get on Amazon, it's never been no next day. It's been at least 2 days of shipping, at least. So wherever you are, you may get it the next day, but not me. But anyway, I was highly upset because I didn't order 2. I only ordered that 1 for this product that I got to actually work, because it was going to be pointless for me to have it if I didn't get one of these 8200 Pros or 8200s. So I called Amazon. They was giving me the runaround, all this and that, and I'm like, well, I thought about it. I said, well, I am a photographer. You can never have too many lights. I can use it. So I decided to just go ahead and keep it. So this is why I end up getting 2 flashes that I didn't need right here. Okay. Yeah, this is why. Let me come down here with y'all. Okay, this is why. Can't even see me, is it? This is why. Yeah. I had a photo shoot for that Saturday. It was gonna get to me Friday, so I said, good. I'll be able to use it for my little photo shoot. It was like a little Halloween, wasn't Halloween party. Well, they was dressed in costumes and everything, but it was for a little kid's birthday party, and I was wanting to use that. Normally, I be trying to buy new stuff or different stuff whenever I do my little photo shoots. You know, try to step my game up. But get this big old box out the way and show y'all the actual product. All right. So I'm not gonna do a review on it. I don't want to waste too much more time. But this is it, and it goes around your camera. Your camera lens goes through here, and yeah. So I'll show you all of that once I do the review on it. But what comes in the box is that this bracket here for your umbrella, and also, yeah, the cord already connected to it, though I don't know what I'm talking about. And this little pouch. This little pouch right here goes with it also to hold the 8200 or 200 Pro. Yep. So that's all I had to talk about with that video. But I will be doing a review on this item with some sample pictures and stuff here shortly. So stay tuned for that and everything. Yeah. But wait, let me at least show you this, because I know you're probably still wondering why I needed this to that. Okay, this piece right here that I showed y'all in the last video disconnects, and this is what this right here, this end is for, and it connects like that. Oh. Okay, there we go. So let's do that again. It connects like that. So yeah. So this is why I needed this right here in order to operate this. Didn't know. I'm so eager and rushing to get something and didn't even do enough research on it. So don't make the same mistake I did, because I ended up spending a lot more money than I've really expected and wanted to at that point in time. But the damage has been done, so I'm cool. Alright, so this is it. And thank you for joining my video once again. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.